Yo, what's up everybody? It's Shannon here with Random Tech Archive. Just doing an unboxing here and review for the Dyson V12 Slim Absolute. Quite the name for a vacuum. So I ordered this vacuum probably about 3 weeks ago and it came within 5 days. And let's just jump right into the unboxing. So I don't know a ton about these vacuums or a ton about what is inside here. I honestly don't know. I know there's a vacuum, but let's just jump right in. So, I'm gonna see how this opens up. This is the original box that it came shipped with, so I didn't open anything. So it seems I got a box in a box type of deal. Side. So here's the box it comes in. It's pretty, seems to be minimalistic. I think they used to have other boxes with color on them, but probably to save money, you know, for the environment. I have no idea how to open this. Alright, so some tape up here. So these, I believe, are on sale. I will post the price up on the screen right now. Alright guys, just want to take a brief moment from the video and explain what the difference is between the different Dyson V12 models there are. This is the current one we're reviewing. It's the V12 Detect Slim Absolute. It's got 60 minutes of runtime and 3 extra accessories. It says it's $650 here, but once you click into it, it will say it is $500. It says you're saving $150 from $650. So the Slim Detect Absolute, so it comes with these 3, that's why it says free tools on it. These are exclusive to this model. So you got the mini soft dusting brush, up top adapter, and the fabric and mattress tool. Then when you click back and you check the base model, also $500. It doesn't come with any of those, so I don't see why you would get this one over the other one when it comes with all the same things minus 3 attachments. Doesn't make sense. And then when you check out the other model, which comes in a different color, same amount of runtime for all of them. This one just has 3 different attachments, same price as well. This one has the extension hose, scratch for your dusting brush, and the awkward gap tool. Alright, so that's basically that with the different models. Back to the video. Your paperwork here, standard stuff, safety information. So here I believe is the stem, basically I'll call it. Thing that connects the main mechanism to whatever you got running. There's that. Guessing this is the actual user manual guide. Register your machine and get started. Select power mode, longer cleanse, occasional, start cleaning. Okay, so quick start guide and register for the warranty, I'm guessing. So, you got your attachments. They're all in their own little boxes. Just gonna rip these boxes to shreds because I'm just gonna throw it all out. But here you got an attachment for getting in crevices of couches, etc. Very standard piece. And this is another little piece. It can be like that. I don't know. Maybe to make it. I'm not sure on the exact reasoning. We have another attachment. This is a little different. I have the outsize as well. This one's going to be for my parents, but the outsize did not come with this piece. It's almost like a window washer. That's cool. You have a piece here, I'm guessing, for weird angles and corners. And they all pop on to the stem. and pop right off. I'm guessing that's what this is for. You get weird angles. And so, taking this out, you have your foam head roller. It's a little bit smaller than the outsize, and it has the laser guide so it can see the dust particles and other type of contaminants on your floor. And just various attachments for the vacuum. Standard stuff that most vacuums come with, and some different ones. This usually comes with vacuums that I've gotten before that are low end, but this is a high-end machine. And then you have this, which I like to have for doing stairs and couches and other places that you can get a little bit easier with this piece rather than I'll show you, rather than this piece. So these do have the hair removal system with the vanes and the pieces on the inside here. Should help with getting the hair and such, not clogging the machine. You got your charger. Plug that right into the battery itself. And then you have this piece here, which usually I like to just add these two standard ones, and this attaches to the stem of the vacuum like so. You also have your mounting system for the battery, a guide to show you how to install the mounting bracket. So I believe there's the screws in here. You would attach this piece to the wall wherever you'd like, and then you just put this one in like that. It won't go all the way down because that's in the way, but you put that piece in there, and then you would take off of the actual unit. I haven't installed this before, so just putting it together, but this would slide in there and you would charge just like that. You'd wire this all through. It would come out to here, and that would just slide on, and it would hang off the wall. Here's your main unit. Rather small compared to the outsides. That is how you dump the bucket, and you just press it back on. Shove it, boom, just like that. It's like a launching system. Now this one operates with a button, as compared to the outsides. That is a trigger that usually sits here. And these filters unscrew. You can pop them right off, clean them easily, put them back on. So you have your main unit, your stem, attachments, attachment bracket, foam roller for hard floors with the laser to turn it on and turn it off. Reverse that, off and on. All around carpet, flooring, everything piece. And pretty much the same thing that's here, smaller form factor, and it's adjustable. Now with all these pieces, you can easily clean them. It's a little bit different from the outsides, but if you take this, Yeah, this one's a little bit different. So I believe you need a coin. So hold on. Can't find a quarter, so I'll just use a knife. I believe you would twist it like so. Little piece has place for a coin. Strangely, this company doesn't give you some. And that just comes right off, easily cleanable. In there, you can see this is what gets the hairs off of the actual foam roller. And put it back on, very simple. Do it like that. Turn it, and make sure it's in, just like so. Foam roller, same pretty much concept. This one actually has that. Pull it down, pulls right off. You can clean that, wash it, because I'm sure it'll get dirty over time, and throw it back on. Once I figure out how to do that. Boom, just like so. Well, anyway, that's the unboxing. So far, I will go over how to use the vacuum and a test of how it cleans carpeting and all of that in the near future. Thank you for watching. Please hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, and comment for any questions, and I'll answer them as soon as possible. Thanks again.